In the pursuit of smooth, youthful skin, the Japanese beauty secret of a DIY anti-wrinkle mask has gained popularity for its ability to combat wrinkles and uneven pigmentation naturally. This homemade mask, often likened to a natural alternative to Botox, promises to rejuvenate and brighten your complexion with its straightforward yet powerful ingredients: coffee grounds, egg whites, cornstarch, and almond oil. Welcome to Stella Beauty Channel, your go-to destination for all things beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. Here we delve into the latest trends, tips, and secrets from the world of beauty and wellness. Whether you're looking to enhance your skincare routine or stay updated with the beauty industry's hottest products, Stella Beauty Channel is here to guide you on your journey to radiant, healthy skin and a vibrant lifestyle. Today's episode focuses on a natural remedy that's creating buzz, removing wrinkles with just a spoon of coffee. Now, it's important to know the ingredients. Coffee grounds are known for their exfoliating properties, gently removing dead skin cells and promoting circulation to reveal fresher, more radiant skin. Egg whites contain proteins that can help tighten and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Cornstarch, valued in skincare for its soothing abilities, helps to balance oil production and leave the skin feeling smooth and soft. Almond oil, a natural emollient, deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin, enhancing its hydration and suppleness. Preparing the anti-wrinkle mask. To create this potent anti-aging treatment at home, gather your ingredients: 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Combine these ingredients in a clean bowl, mixing thoroughly until they form a smooth, uniform paste. Before applying the mask, ensure your face is thoroughly cleansed and free of makeup. Using clean fingertips or a brush, apply the mask evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Allow the mask to rest on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the beneficial properties of the ingredients to penetrate and nourish your skin deeply. After the designated time, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the mask's hydrating effects and leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Incorporating this treatment into your skincare routine 1 to 2 times per week can help maintain smoother, firmer skin while promoting a radiant complexion naturally. Let's proceed with removing and moisturizing. After the designated time, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water, taking care to remove all traces of the mixture. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel, ensuring gentle movements to avoid irritation. Following this, apply your preferred moisturizer to seal in the benefits of the mask and maintain optimal hydration levels in your skin. This final step helps to nourish and protect your skin, ensuring it remains soft, supple, and glowing after the treatment. Incorporate this routine into your skincare regimen regularly to enjoy long-term benefits and achieve a healthier, more youthful appearance. Let's now talk about the frequency of use. For optimal results, incorporate this mask into your skincare routine 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency is key to achieving the desired benefits of smoother, firmer skin and a more radiant complexion. If you have sensitive skin or are trying the mask for the first time, begin by using it once a week. Monitor how your skin responds and gradually increase the frequency as your skin becomes accustomed to the treatment. Adjusting the frequency allows you to tailor the mask to your skin's needs while ensuring it receives the right amount of nourishment and care. By listening to your skin and adjusting accordingly, you can maintain a balanced skincare routine that promotes healthy, glowing skin over time. This coffee-based mask offers a range of benefits that contribute to healthier, more youthful-looking skin. Firstly, it effectively tightens and firms the skin, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. The combination of coffee grounds and egg whites works synergistically to promote a smoother complexion and a more even skin texture. Additionally, this mask is known for its ability to brighten uneven skin tone, providing a natural radiance that enhances overall skin appearance. The hydrating properties of cornstarch and almond oil deeply moisturize the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. What sets this mask apart is its natural formulation, free from harsh chemicals often found in commercial skincare products. This makes it a gentle, yet effective option suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Incorporating this coffee mask into your skincare routine offers a holistic approach to skincare, providing nourishment and rejuvenation without compromising on natural ingredients. Regular use can help maintain skin health and enhance its natural beauty, promoting a youthful glow that lasts. Before using any skincare product or mask, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure you do not experience any adverse reactions. Consistency is key to achieving long-term improvements in your skin's appearance, so incorporate this mask into your skincare routine regularly. You can also customize the mask by adjusting the ingredient proportions to suit your skin's unique needs. Incorporating this DIY coffee anti-wrinkle mask into your skincare regimen can be a delightful and effective way to pamper your skin naturally. By harnessing the benefits of coffee, egg whites, cornstarch, and almond oil, you can achieve smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin without resorting to harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. Embrace the beauty secrets of Japanese skincare and enjoy the glow of healthy, youthful-looking skin. Remember, skincare is personal, and what works for one person may differ for another. Listen to your skin's needs, stay consistent with your routine, and celebrate the beauty of naturally glowing skin. Thank you for tuning in to Stella Beauty Channel. For more beauty insights, product recommendations, and exclusive offers, visit our online store at stellabeautystore.com or check the link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your beauty-loving friends. Stay tuned for our next episode where we uncover more beauty secrets and lifestyle tips to help you look and feel your best. Remember, beauty begins with self-care, and Stella Beauty Channel is here to inspire your journey towards glowing confidence.